Good morning, everyone. For today's lesson, we're going to tackle factorials and how we will simplify it. First, what is factorial? Factorial has a symbol and nakasulat siya as an exclamation point. It is a recursive multiplication where n factorial is n quantity n minus 1 factorial. So, sa simpleng explanation, factorial o yung process ng factorial is multiplication repeating itself until it reaches 1, where you write a set of positive integers in a descending order. Next, factorials application. Factorials can be applied and are commonly used in permutations, combinations, and probability. So, how do factorials work? Here are some of the examples given: 4 factorial, 3 factorial, and 0 factorial. Gaya ng sabi ko kanina, all you have to do to solve for its value is imumultiply mo lang siya from the number itself hanggang sa marating yung 1. So, 4 factorial is equal to 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, and that is 24. Next, 3 factorial is equal to 3 times 2 times 1, and that is equal to 6. However, in the next case, which is 0 factorial is equal to 1. So, why 0 factorial is equal to 1? Explain ko sa inyo why. Basically, yung concept kasi ng factorial is to determine how many ways you can arrange the number of items. Kaya naman, if we have 0 item, then may isang way lang yun para may arrange siya. So, that's why 0 factorial is equal to 1. Moving on, ngayon naman we're going to learn how we simplify factorials. Here are the givens. So, 5 factorial, 8 factorial, and 15 factorial over 10 factorial. We're going to start off muna sa 5 factorial. So, 5 factorial is equal to 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, and you get 120 as your answer. Next is 8 factorial. So, same process lang ulit. 8 factorial is equal to 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 and times 1, and that is equal to 40,320. So, dito naman sa next problem is we simplify it pero two numbers siya, 'di ba? May numerator and may denominator. So, ganito lang gagawin nyo. Same process lang din, and you repeat it in both sides. So, 15 factorial over 10 factorial is equal to 15 times 14 times 13 times 12 times 11. And since para hindi na tayo mahirapan pa, you just write 10 factorial sa numerator and sa denominator. So, use the cancellation method. Kakancel natin yung common, which is 10 factorial. So, cancel. Then you get 15 times 14 times 13 times 12 times 11. And you get 360,360 as your answer. So, next, 12 factorial over 10 factorial. So, same lang ng ginawa natin kanina sa number 3. So, 12 factorial over 10 factorial is equal to 12 times 11 times 10 factorial over 10 factorial. Then, cancellation method ulit. Cancel both 10 factorial. So, 12 times 11 is equal to 132. Same process lang din sa last item, which is 20 factorial over 18 factorial. So, 20 factorial over 18 factorial is equal to 20 times 19 times 18 factorial over 18 factorial. Cancel both 18 factorial, then you get 20 times 19. So, 20 times 19 is equal to 380. So, that's all for today. Thank you for listening.